There's a decent largemouth right here. Right here. Oh, he sees it. Oh, he sees it. Oh my gosh, he sees it. Holy cow, he just ate it. I got him. No! I hope that you could see that on video. Because that blow up, or not even a blow up, he just came up there and ate it. And that was sweet. The way that that fish came up and got that thing. That was actually unreal. Saw him chilling in like 2 feet of water. So I just pitched the Senko in there and he ate it. That was actually amazing. Hoping we can get a few more bites like that today. Look at this around me. Mayfly hatch is in full swing here. Got one right here. He's looking at it and just ate it. And broke me off. He broke me off. I think I see one right here. It's kind of hard to tell. That was a super shallow cast, but he's coming over to it. I'm not gonna move it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Frickin' finally. Got one. Lost my Senko, that kind of sucks, but wow, that was a terrible cast on my part. I can't believe he still ate it. It's a super clear water fishing. Nice little guy to start us off. Another largie. Oh my gosh. Literally the second I hit the water. That is crazy how he just popped off. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I got him. I got him. I got him. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Yes, sir. That's a good one. He's been caught before. That one just came out of the dock and got that thing. Probably about a 2-pounder. Not bad. Okay, that was sweet. I'll get him back now. Good, you?
Pretty good.
Good. Not what I wanted. No. Oh wait, no, I got a good one. Good one. Oh my gosh. I was pitching at one fish and this one ate it. And this is a good one. Good one, good one. It's like another 2-pounder. It's like another 2-pounder. Got him. On the wacky rig, the bait of the day for sure. This guy was just a little bit out of my sight. Casted another one, he ate it. It's gonna be my biggest one of the day. Probably about a 2-pounder. I'm getting bit. key is just to make that long cast in clear water. Look at them fight down there too. Gosh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's sweet. Oh, there's a giant. 2 giants down there. 2 giants down there. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Are the giants still there? Yes, they're right there. They're right there. Shoot. Dude, there were 2 really big ones right in front of me. I would guess that they're right up there. I have no idea though. That kind of sucks. Make one more cast and then I'm probably gonna head out of here. Ooh, I see a really little one. No, I don't. If I see him again, I'll make a cast at him. He might have been too little to get this though.